Hey friends, it's Gabby back here in front of you. Today I will be doing a day in the life vlog kind of thing. As you all know, I'm interning. It's called Curiosity Lab. It's like a learning lab, and I just wanted to tag you guys along since it's my last few days of my internship. We're babysitting a dog. His name is Nikki, and he's 12 years old and he's smaller than Leo. Anyway, enough of the chit chat. Let us start my day. Let's go. Bye, Leo. Wow. Beautiful. How are you?
Mine is growing like boom. Oh my god! Hi! What do you have? What? In the glass it looks a little dirty.
Hello. Come over here. We're having dinner. Where? McDonald's. Hello. 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 Got lost at Stevens. We were finding a way to save money. I'm sorry. So I just got back from Hoboken. After going to my internship, I went to Hoboken with a friend. Her name's Tasneem. This pretty much sums up today's a day in the life vlog. I don't know, today was one of my interesting days because I actually have to do something other than go to my internship and go home, but most of the time it's usually like hanging out with kids and then going home. I hope you guys liked it. I had a lot of fun today. I felt like it was a pretty productive day, not gonna lie. I sewed, made this video, did my internship, hung out with friends. I accomplished a lot today, so I'm really happy with that. Thank you guys so much for watching. Give it a like if you did like it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I hope you all keep growing. Bye!
같은 밤 뒤 속에